Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating the essentials and taking action now. Confirm exam rules and allowed aids so you don't break them, then position your device and plug it in. Once done, open the AI exam helper and sign in, load the prompt or context file, and name the session clearly. You'll want clear folders and a short checklist visible. Make sure to note time limits and any formula sheets. This prevents wasted clicks later and gets you into the workflow immediately. You proceed by chunking the exam and pacing yourself through blocks. Start each question by pasting it into the helper, include constraints and desired answer format, and ask for step-by-step reasoning. Once the helper returns a solution, double-check calculations, cross-reference with your notes, and ask follow-up clarifying prompts for any gap. If an answer seems off, request alternative methods or error checks. Make sure to save the best responses and flag uncertain items for review before moving on. You wrap up by reviewing all flagged or uncertain answers and summarizing each response in concise form. Once done, export or copy into the submission template, confirm formats, and leave time for a final read-through. If the AI helper stalls or gives inconsistent results, refresh the session, reprompt with a shorter, clear instruction, or switch to manual solving for that item. Make sure to note one troubleshooting tip. When outputs degrade, isolate variables and rerun a focused prompt to restore reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.